Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping like a pro, check the power and ventilation, and choose the correct paint type because viscosity dictates spray pattern. Once done, strain the paint through a 60-120 mesh filter to prevent clogs, then attach the cup, hose, and nozzle, hand tightening each connection so there are no leaks. Make sure the nozzle size matches the paint. Too small will clog, too large wastes material. Finally, set pressure to a low test setting to confirm flow and feel. You now prime the system and get into rhythm. Fill the cup, open the return and trigger to purge air until the flow is smooth because trapped air causes sputtering. Next, spray on a scrap panel and adjust pressure, fan width, and tip size to tune for even atomization. Make sure to hold the gun 6-12 inches from the surface and move at a steady 6 to 10 inches per second. This ensures overlap, reduces runs, and produces a uniform finish. You finish by applying 2 to 3 thin coats, keeping a 50% overlap and allowing recommended dry times so layers cure properly. Once done, relieve pressure, empty remaining paint, and flush the sprayer with the manufacturer-recommended solvent to prevent hardened residue. If you run into orange peel, spitting, or uneven spray, check the filter and tip for blockage, verify pressure and nozzle size, and restrain the paint. Most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.